Mechanism of ring opening of epoxide. So this is epoxide, cyclohexane epoxide, and H positive on a in acidic medium. This epoxide oxygen is protonated, and we'll get protonated epoxide. Now we will take this in every case epoxide, protonated epoxide. Now nucleophile water is attack on the highly substituted carbon, and then we'll get this protonated water over here. Okay, and this is trans to OH, and then why I'm saying, because cleavage occur from here, and this CO bond is the weakest bond over here, and it will be retained with this less substituted carbon. Okay, so OH, and when it is cleaved, positive charge will be gone because it is taking its electron pair, and it is forming OH over here, and water is over here. Now water is protonated, so deprotonation occur, and we'll see that only OH group here, this OH group from water has come, and this OH is already present in the epoxide, and protonated epoxide positive charge is gone. So here we'll see that both the group are trans to each other, and this is vicinal diol and trans diol we can also say. Now when the ethyl alcohol is nucleophile, so whole of the nucleophile, this O is donated lone pair of electron over here, this become electrophilic when it is breaking. When it breaks with electron pair, so OH will retain with the this. Here I have written less substituted carbon. Okay, so this will become electrophilic, so this C2H5OH attack over here, and now here it will become protonated alcohol. Now this protonated alcohol, H positive will be lost, so at that time OC2H5 group is attached to this. Okay, and again see, they are trans to each other. This OH group and OC2H5 group are trans to each other. This is nucleophile, and this is OH group present here. So nucleophile and OH are trans to each other. Now I took example of HX. See here epoxide is there, protonation occur. Here I told you everywhere. So protonated epoxide will be there. Now X is nucleophiles, it will attack from the back side. As it will attack to the back side, this CO bond is weaker bond, and it will be cleaved. I have made it with red line, and this OH, whole OH group is attached with this less substituted carbon. They are trans to each other. That is why I made hash and dash formula over here. Halo group are nucleophile and OH group are trans to each other. Okay, halo group and OH group are trans to each other. So this cleavage occur always. Weakest CO bond will be cleaved, and it will be retained with the less substituted carbon. I'm Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for your I like your suggestion, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. All the best for your future. Get success.